I took my last funds, I bought a digital course, I was promised the moon, the stars and the sun and everything in it, and this is exactly what happened. This is the story of one of my customers, and if you can relate today to her and more people out there stuck with digital courses, I hope by now you have stopped scrolling, because you're going to want to hear this. Okay, now set up a store and boom, the magic needs to happen. Guys, it's actually heartbreaking how many people I've seen that purchase their programs that literally are stuck and lost. So I want to talk about this testimony today, okay? You guys have seen me win the last 8 months, but I want to be honest and transparent with you guys. It's been trial and error, because this is the gap that I had, which I only filled 2 months ago, and ever since my business had literally blown up the last 2 months just by one little thing that I changed. And that was every time I go into these people that have courses but not seeing success into their stores, the first thing that I notice is you go into their store and it is a brand that they bought. Boom, that is it. Now what I mean by that is, if I take that Done For You digital course, which I love Done For You digital courses, it is created, it is high in demand, low admin, etc. So I absolutely stand for it, okay? But if I take it out of your store, everything is gone. Because you did not, and no one helped you to build an actual brand. What I mean by that is, who are you? What do you stand for? What are you good at? Does your name, your business colors, does it all align? That freebie that everyone get in digital courses, did you go and personalize it? Did you maybe give it? What can you give your customers, okay, that someone else can't offer them? And why then should they rather choose you to purchase the same digital course from that they can come and purchase from me? What makes you stand out? Guys, we changed this lady's account. She joined my free coaching group. In literally less than 30 days, she's created a brand, she's followed, she's literally learned, applied. A lot of you consume because you got told you're going to make this amount in that amount of time, okay, which is a lot of BS. This digital Done For You digital courses are digital education. So you need to learn, not just consume. You need to apply it and you need to build a business. But it's so easy to just sell and say you're going to make money online, you're going to make money online. But no one actually helps you and show you and tell you the honest truth. So this is today the honest truth. If you've ever thought of starting, make sure you get a coach and mentor that is really, truly willing to walk the path with you. Okay? And number 2, if you've been scrolling, lost, overwhelmed, and you are still too proud to say, Jante, yeah, I am. Can I join your free coaching group? Then I rest my case. But if you're not in that group and you need you can see that if I today take out that brand out of my store and it's empty, there's nothing, you have a problem. Let me help you fix that through my free coaching and mentorship, and let's build your business so that you can also have this type of success. I hope you guys have a blessed day.